What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. We're going to do a real quick unboxing of my brand new Nintendo Switch Pro controller. This is the black version, and we'll take a little look around the box before we jump into it. And yeah, so go ahead and get into it. Like we got us a charge cord here. And the controller itself. There's the controller. That's pretty much it, you know. Take a few little plastic off here and there, and I guess it'll be good to go. So. But yep, that's the Nintendo Pro Switch controller. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. I'm out of here.